Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to add hyper slow motion effect in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it's done. The first thing you will need is some epic footage, like this clip from pexels.com. In DaVinci Resolve, select your clip and press Ctrl R to open the speed control. Next, choose where you want the slow motion effect to begin by adding a speed point. Move forward in the timeline and add another speed point where you want the effect to end. Now select the time option and set the speed to 10%. You can adjust the speed further by dragging the markers to slow it down even more. Experiment with lower speeds and see how the results look. To add the real magic, change the retime process to optical flow. You can tweak the speed ramp settings for a smoother transition or leave them as is. For an extra touch, consider adding an epic zoom effect to emphasize a specific moment in the clip. And that is everything you need to know about how to add hyper slow motion effect in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.